Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crypto wallet. First, decide between a hot wallet, which is connected to the internet, or a cold wallet, offering offline storage for enhanced security. Hot wallets are convenient for frequent transactions, while cold wallets are ideal for long-term holdings. Think about which cryptocurrencies you plan to hold and ensure your chosen wallet supports them. Always prioritize wallets from well-established and trusted providers. Once you've chosen a wallet, download its official application or navigate to the provider's legitimate website. Begin the account creation process by providing necessary details. It's crucial to create a very strong, unique password, ideally with 12 or more characters, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, as this adds an extra layer of security to your account. A critical step is to carefully write down your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This is typically a sequence of 12 or 24 words. Do this offline using pen and paper and store it in a very secure, private location like a safe. This phrase is the master key to your funds. If you lose access to your wallet, this phrase is your only way to recover your assets. Never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. With your wallet set up and secured, you can now fund it. Most platforms allow you to connect a bank account or debit card to purchase cryptocurrencies directly. Start with a small amount, perhaps $50, to familiarize yourself with the process before making larger investments. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending funds, as transactions are irreversible. Remember, for more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.